I'm Mattei from MatteiRealty.ca. Welcome back to 40 Richview Road. We do a lot of work in this building when it comes to selling, leasing, listing condos. And someone asked, how come you do so much work in 40 Richview Road in Etobicoke? Well, the reality is our family has been here since the beginning.
And it is a fact that I'm proud to say that I was the original exclusive agent to sell each and every unit in this building since they turned condo.
So from that point in time, we were able to continue to support the building, believe in the building. We actually own a unit ourselves in this building as well. And at times, we were the ones extolling the value of this building when other agents couldn't get as much value out of it. Having said that, we've got a fantastic unit at 40 Richview that we want to show you as we show you the building itself today. There's over 4 acres of grounds here at 40 Richview Road in Etobicoke, which includes tennis courts, walking grounds, and large amount of surface parking that's ideal for when you have guests. The exterior of the building, much like the interior, is under constant upgrades. They've just refurbished the entranceway here with stonework and other elements that are contemporary. As well, the parking garage was resurfaced. It's fantastic exterior space to welcome people home. This building is fantastic, it exudes luxury and elegance. It's constantly upgraded and updated and features a full list of amenities including a party room, gym, indoor pool, and games room and library. The hallways at 40 Richview Road have all been renovated in a contemporary palette. Ceramic work, the oak trim has been painted, and beautiful new carpets. When you enter your hallway, you feel like you're coming to a brand new home. We're inside the unit at 40 Richview number 802. It's a very spacious design with an open concept layout. The kitchen at Unit 802 has some very desirable features. First of all, it's a large eat-in kitchen. Secondly, it has a huge window for a condominium that overlooks a park-like setting on La Rose. This is a one-bedroom unit, but it's an exceptionally well-sized one-bedroom unit. Solarium, eat-in kitchen, full-size living room, full-size dining room, and this exquisite primary bedroom suite, which as you can see is large enough to accommodate a work from home situation. We'll end the tour of Unit 802 in the solarium, which is appropriate. You can enjoy your morning coffee here with a gorgeous view over the parks at La Rose Avenue. Thank you for taking this tour with us, and if you'd like to know more about 40 Richview Road Unit 802, please feel free to call us at 416-557-SOLD or email us at info@matteirealty.ca. I'm Mattei, MatteiRealty.ca.